Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by clicking on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Float window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold those 3 dots at the bottom in the middle and drag it. To resize your window, hold one of its corners, pick a perfect size, and then let go. If you wish to use this app in full screen view, click on the bottom left corner. To close your window completely, you need to click on the bottom right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!